Hi, this is JP from Studio JPEG, and in this video I will show you how to mount a canvas on the wall. And basically, if you've bought a canvas print or even just a canvas painting, they don't always come with the mounting option already built into it. Sometimes you get just a plain wooden frame and there's just no way to hang it on the wall. So in this video, I'll show you how to put a wire, how to attach everything up, and then how to clip it on a nail on the wall. So to begin, you will need a frame mounting kit, such as the one here. And you can usually get them at the local dollar store for about $1 or $2. Or if you have a local craft store, they probably have them too. So you'll need this. You will need a measuring tape, a pencil, a hammer, and a wire cutter. You don't need to have very fancy tools as long as they're basic, they're gonna do the job. So first of all, the bottom of the frame is here and the top is here. And we're gonna mount, let me take them out. So we're gonna mount those two little eyes here at about 1/3 or 1/2 down from the frame. And that's what we're going to use to tie the wire on. And that's how everything is going to attach together. And then we're going to put one of these little hooks on the wall with a nail such as this one, or maybe even one of the smaller nails. And that's going to be perfect for attaching it to sheetrock. Alright, so first up we're going to take the measuring tool and we're going to do just the inside of it. And we're going to go here, so it says it's about 21 inches. So in this case I'm going to go at around the 14 inches mark. And I'm going to draw a little line with the pencil in there. Gonna go over here, and it is still 21. It's good to make sure that the thing is actually rectangular. And at the 14 mark, I'm gonna draw another squiggly line with the pencil. The next part we're gonna do is we're gonna take these things and we're gonna just screw them in the wood like this. But from my experience, they don't really go in well right away, so I use the nail here and I start off a little hole, and then I'm gonna take the screw, put it in the hole, and start screwing it in. And you're going to want to screw this in really tight because this is what's going to hold the weight of the frame once you put it on the wall. Alright, once this one is done, I go to the other squiggly line and just gonna turn this around to make it easier for me. So now that it's turned around, I'm gonna go to the other squiggly line. Gonna start off the hammer. Gonna start off the hole with the nail. Take the other hook and screw it in. And again, you're going to want to put this as far in as it can go. Alright, so I'm going to take the steel wire that came with the mounting kit. And I'm going to pass it through the hook here. And then you're going to twist them together. And you're going to want to twist it pretty tight, because this twisting is actually what's going to hold the weight of your canvas. And then you're going to go at the other end, and you're going to pass it through the hook on this side too. And you're going to try to keep it pretty tight, because as you can see, even if it's tight, it's still going to go up a little bit. And you want to make sure that the wire doesn't go all the way up till over the border here, because if it does, then you're going to see the nail once you hang it up. And you're going to twist this side as you did with the other side. And on both ends, if you want, you can finish it off with a knot, but it's probably not necessary. So, and there you have it. The wire should be strong enough to hold your canvas. The only other thing you have left to do is to put the nail in the bracket here, and you go flush on the wall, kind of like this, but you know, don't do it on the frame, but do it on the wall. You're just going to go clink, 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 and that's how you attach it to the wall. And then once this is attached to the wall, then you just hook this in like this, and it's going to hold your canvas up. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the box below. If you like the video, please click like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.